What is artificial intelligence, also known as AI?
Artificial intelligence is a science where a machine can perform tasks that would require intelligence if they were to be done by a human being.
Who should have knowledge about AI?
Everyone is expected to have basic knowledge on AI. More technical people should know more, and computer experts should always be there to assist.
Where can AI be applied in real life?
AI is needful basically in every aspect of human and animal life. AI is popular in medical operations, education, transport, economics, governance, security, communication, social networks and other areas. I'm sure you have heard about driverless or autonomous cars.
What are the benefits brought about by AI?
AI brings about speed, efficiency, convenience, accuracy, integrity and security, among other benefits. Goods and services become cheaper because of less wage bill.
What drawback can come as a result of using AI?
Less skilled workers can lose their jobs as they get replaced by robots and apps. Computers can develop faults. AI can be abused in doing antisocial activities. The initial investment cost may be high. Top experts are required.
Considering the challenges that you have pointed out, do you then recommend investment towards AI development?
Yes. The advantages, by far, outweigh the disadvantages. AI creates more jobs than the ones that would have been lost. Provides more security than the threats it is associated with. Brings huge profits than the initial investment. Don't forget the convenience that it brings.
May you give advice to the youngsters who may want to venture into the AI industry.
From early stages in school, there is need to put extra effort in mathematics. There is need to learn to pay attention to finer details and practice to be creative. Endurance and persistence are key to success.
Why is mathematics that important?
Mathematics is the language of science. There is gaining of logic. Topics like linear regression, differentiation, recurrent functions and probability are directly key to the understanding and development of AI algorithms.
Which other subjects are important?
Any other subject related to the specific field where AI is to be applied, including humanities, commercials, sciences, practicals and common sense.
What are the subfields of artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence often comes as a combination of machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, information retrieval, effective computing and other areas. These are not direct subfields but overlapping dependencies. Not forgetting big data, cloud computing and Internet of Things.
Machine learning seems to be trending nowadays. What is it?
Machine learning is whereby machines adapt a new experience using information from previous experience without being explicitly reprogrammed. Deep learning is a popular type of machine learning.
Oh, another big word, deep learning. What is that?
This is simply machine learning where several stages or levels are involved in gradually analyzing the data to be learned. Don't be afraid. We will teach you more on this essential new technology. Cheers.